The S&P 500 daily cloud chart shows that price is still stuck in between the conversion line at that level and the baseline is going flat at that level. And the top of the cloud for tomorrow on the 19th is at 4497.98. And the baseline and conversion line concerning this lagging line 26 bars back. And both of those levels for tomorrow on the 19th for the conversion line and baseline are really close together. Conversion line 4497.46, baseline 4498.50. And price is definitely stuck in the cloud, and I do not see much happening for economic reports for this week. The big events look like initial jobless claims could be a mover here on the 21st. Leading economic indicators, but it looks like on Friday it's all the Fed speak here. That's going to be the market movers. Who knows what they're going to say. And I don't believe that they know what they're going to say either. And probably a lot of conflicting reports, but I don't know. They're all sticking together even though they have different views. So that leaves us here stuck in the muck at 7:33 p.m. Central Time in the aftermarket hours on the 18th. S&P 500, 4457. And up near the top of the cloud, there's a new ongoing supply line to companion with the one right above it here. So the first one, which is the new one, will be at 4501.18 for tomorrow. And the next one at 4512.79. So they're right up there near the top of the cloud. And this junction here for the conversion line of baseline 26 bars back, I see nothing but resistance. And to the downside, there's the baseline right there and these ongoing demand lines. This first one, 4421.25 for tomorrow, the 19th. And this one is at 4340.26. And the zigzag is still pointed down from the swing point to the downside from D wave, down wave 2. And in 4 trading days, we're going to start getting to this upper and lower cloud here that's going flat. So 25th, and then there's the Kumo twist or cloud twist right here. Which way will it go, up or down? I mean, if it just stays in between these supply line and ongoing demand line here and just goes sideways, well, there's going to be an apex there, like a triangle almost. So it's going to have to go one way or the other, fall out of the cloud or blast out of the cloud to the upside. And either way, if it dribbles out of the cloud to the upside or downside, it's going to be an easy move to get above it or below it. If it's above it, it's not that wide here, so it could just blast below it. And that will go on for quite a long time. You can see the top of the cloud is flattening out for a long time. 4471, 4467. And price is wedged right in between the 20 simple moving average here in blue, 4458.56, and the 50 EMA at that level, 4446.01, is right in between there, and then the baseline is right under there. You would think that's okay support, but this is the only moving average that it is above. So all the other ones are above where it closed yesterday. 21 EMA 4465.98, right below the conversion line and right above the 20 simple moving average. So there's a line right in between there and the 35 simple moving average. We'll go look at that. And the 35 simple moving average 2 here reads 4466.30. And then the 50 simple moving average is up there at 4483.60. And the fast trigger up still hasn't gone above the oversold line at 25. It's at 22. Pressure up is still under there too, so it's flattening out under there. Same thing with the slow trigger up, kind of flattening out right below the overbought line. So it hasn't made a move down to meet these two down here, and these two have not made a move to meet the slow trigger up here, so definitely going sideways here. And sequential has a buy countdown 11, so that could print a 13 in a few days. And combo just started a new buy setup, so it started off with a combo buy countdown 1, so the sequential over in the other chart there is the best bet to print a 13 to the downside, 13 buy countdown. And this arc down to 4.50%. It's really taking a steep climb here, so it's already at 4288.22. In a couple days it'll be above the 4300 zone, so that is really going to be difficult to get down into the 4200 zone unless it does it in a hurry. And the fast QQE is taking a little bit of a downwards trajectory towards the still flat slow QQE. So that's poised for a cross under of that slow QQE by the fast. So that would be ominous sign there. And above the cloud is the Stark band upper band and the Bollinger Band upper band are right together there, and the Stark band for the lower band is down here at 4410, and the channel 3 low 4388, and there's the lower Stark band 4348.93.